Knowing how to use the Format Painter tool in Microsoft Office programs can save you a lot of time when creating and editing documents. It is designed to help you copy formatting from one item to another. It is extremely beneficial when creating official documents or when combining items from different sources with varying formats. All you need to do is select or highlight the items with the formatting you wish to copy, click Format Painter under the Home tab, and then simply select the items you would like to change. After selecting Format Painter, you will see the pointer change to a paintbrush icon, and you will then be able to select either single or multiple sections of text or cells to change. If you have accidentally clicked the tool again or selected the wrong items, you can simply press the Escape key and your pointer will return to normal. Utilizing Format Painter will ensure that your documents are uniform and professional in an extremely timely manner. We hope this quick tip will save you some time throughout your busy work week.